Good morning. I am Deshawn, and today's weather right now it is 33 degrees, freezing, and the high is going to be 67. How is the weather where you are? Okay, you guys, let me talk to y'all for a minute. I know that I always tell y'all to send us some snow, right? But I tell y'all, just bring it on the weekends. But, y'all sent us snow, and it was on a Monday. I'm in Texas. We're not used to snow. When I say send us snow, I mean just a little bit of snow, just for us to build a snowman. But we only want it to snow for, a few hours, and then we want it to stop. Well, y'all sent the snow on Monday. We was excited. We was happy. We were thankful. We were glad. But the thing is, here in Texas, we don't have the equipment that y'all have for snow. We don't have that because we're not used to snow. So people were driving and slipping and sliding and causing accidents, and some people got hurt. Some people passed away. You guys, we're not used to that type of snow. So that was on Monday. And I let the kids go outside and play. They had a snow fight with the other kids. They had fun. But then Tuesday came, and it was still snowing. Okay. So I'm like, I know this snow is about to stop pretty soon. But then I get a phone call. They're shutting down the schools. Okay. They're shutting down different business. Okay. So I'm thinking in my head, since they're shutting the schools down, they gonna still do it viral. They're still gonna, do it virtually. That's what I was thinking. No, they can't even do that because everything was frozen. So, I wasn't tripping too hard. I was like, okay, they get some snow days. It's okay. They'll make it up at the end of the year. But then, it dawned on me, if everything is shutting down, that means people can't do anything. People can't go to work. Kids can't go to school. That means that the roads are worse than what they were on Monday. So, I wasn't tripping. I was like, we're just going to stay safe in the house. We're not going outside anymore. Because Monday, when they was outside having snowball fights, my kids were the only ones wearing a mask. My kids were the only ones wearing a coat. So I was like, they're not doing that no more. Oh, no. Because I don't know if them other kids had cooties or whatever. No. Y'all not going outside. Not in the front anyway. Y'all can go outside in the back. So anywho, the next day comes and it's still snowing. Not only is it snowing, the news tells me that we're having a snow storm. Feel hair on my face. A snowstorm? No, 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 no. Not a snowstorm. Not here in Texas. We don't have snowstorms. No, it doesn't do that. I checked the weather and it said 2 degrees. 2 degrees? What you mean 2 degrees? No, not here in Texas. No, not in Texas. Yeah. It was so cold outside. On the inside, I had the heater on, but I couldn't tell, y'all. I couldn't tell. I couldn't feel the heat. We had on our coats. The girls had on their gloves. They had all their equipment. And I'm like, what's wrong with the heat? Why I can't feel the heat? But y'all know I'm always cold. So I asked the girls, I said, are y'all cold? They said, yeah, they cold. But they weren't as cold as I was cold. So I was like, okay. So, I just was wrapped up in the blanket, had, jacket on. I'm just like, this is crazy. I was like, what is going on? And they snowstorm. You look outside, it was just snow, 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 snow. And normally I would be okay with that. But y'all know all my people, all my teammates, they come to me. They come to me. I do not go to them. But since the snow is so bad and the roads are so slick from ice, they could not come to me. So I was like, what now? I was like, oh no, it's cool. We got it. We got it. We can handle it. So we were handling it. But then the next day came and it was still snowing. And then I started getting phone calls from my teammates. Okay? My teammates that live 3 hours away. They were telling me, they were like, we have no lights. The power is off and we have no water. What? Oh, no, baby. That's not good. I'm like, that's not good. So then, I get a phone call from another teammate who lives 2 hours away. Tell me the same thing. We have no power. We have no water. I was like, what? No. That's not good. That's not good. And then I get another phone call. I started not to answer it. Because y'all know I'm not a phone person. Y'all know I don't like phones. Y'all know I don't like talking on phones. Y'all know how I feel about phones. I answer the phone. They tell me the same thing. They said, we have no power. We have no water. Y'all, I'm like, that's not good. That's not good. I'm like, they get closer. And then the phone rang again. I was like, I'm not going to answer it. But I answered. I answered it. And it was from somebody. It was from somebody that lived 15 minutes away. They told me the same thing. They said, the power is out and the water is out. Y'all, my heart, it started hurting, my chest, my body. I was like, don't panic, stay calm. You're okay. You still have power. You still have water. So I hung up the phone with them. And I was like, okay. They live 15 minutes away. I was like, we're in Texas. It's gonna go away. We're all gonna be okay. It's all right. But then, I got a phone call. It was from my manager. So I had to take the call. If it would have been anybody else, I wouldn't have took the call. But it was my manager. I answered, and she let me know. She said, in a few hours, the water is going to be off. What? What'd you say? She said, the water is going to be off. For how long? How long the water going to be off? She was like, it's just going to be for a little bit. She said, in the morning time, it'll be back on. I look at the time. I'm like, okay. It's nighttime. I'm like, it's all right. We just gonna, do what we gotta do before they shut down everything. And we're gonna go to bed. Then we wake up, it's gonna be back on. The water gonna be back on. That's what I told myself. So the girls and I, we jumped in the tub, we bathed, we brushed our teeth, we cleaned, we cooked, we did everything we needed to do while we had water. And then we went to bed. And we woke up the next day. I was so happy because it wasn't snowing anymore. I was like, yes. There's, it was still snow outside. It was still ice outside. But it wasn't coming down anymore. We wasn't having a snowstorm anymore. So I was happy because the sun was shining bright. I was like, yes, it's going to melt all the snow. Yes. But then, my child, she went to the toilet. She said, Mommy, the toilet not flushing. What? What you mean? She said, it's not flushing. Mommy, the water not working. I can't wash my hands. What? What'd you say? I'm looking at the time. I'm like, this is a whole new day. They said there was going to be a few hours and they was going to turn it back on. See what the manager told me is that because of all the power outages and the water things and everything, they had to shut it down for a little bit to fix all the leaks, and then it would be back on in the morning. Well, it's the morning time. Why is it not back on? What is going on? What? I was like, what we supposed to do without no water? I was like, wait. I was like, I ain't gonna even trip. I ain't even gonna trip. I was like, because y'all know us, we always have bottles of water. Y'all know we drink a lot of water. But I was like, what we gonna do about, taking a bath and bathing and brushing our teeth and, other things that we do with water? How we gonna clean the dishes, you know what I'm saying? I don't want a sink full of dishes. What are we gonna do? But y'all remember that Dollar Tree haul that I had when I had all those wipes, and I thought that I had grabbed the facial wipes, but it wasn't. It was cleansing wipes. Thank you, Jesus. You know my best friend Jesus always got my back. See, when that happened, I was like, I meant to grab facial wipes, but Jesus made it so that I grabbed cleansing wipes where you can cleanse your whole body with them. So at the time when it happened, I did not understand it, but my best friend Jesus, he had my back and he had me to grab them. So those wipes came in handy when we had no water. It came in handy, those cleansing wipes. Now, I just want to tell you guys, I do thank y'all for the snow. I do. I appreciate it. I know I asked for it. But I only wanted it for the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. That's it. I didn't want it for the whole week. And I didn't want the snowstorms. I didn't want that, you guys. So I thank you very, very much. But next time y'all send snow, let it just be on the weekends. And let it be regular snow. Not snowstorms. You understand what I'm saying? That's all I'm saying, you guys. I appreciate it. And I appreciate all the phone calls. I appreciate all the messages. I appreciate it all, you guys, checking on us. Because y'all know here in Texas, we're not used to snow. Yo, it was so scary. But you know, the sun is out and the snow is melting. And I'm glad for that. I'm glad we got to experience snow. But I'm done. You know, I'm done with the snow. You know, listen. Just do it on the weekends, y'all. When y'all send us snow, just do it on the weekends. And do a light snow. Do very, very light snow. I don't want it to snow a lot. No. And don't turn people power off. We need our power. Don't turn people water off. We need our water. Y'all, the stores were completely empty of everything. So the stores had to shut down because everybody in Texas, of course, ran to the stores to try to grab everything. So the drivers, they couldn't drive. They slipping and sliding trying to get to the stores. They're having really bad wrecks. And the ones who got to the stores, they cleared the shelves and left absolutely nothing. So there was no milk, no bread, no meat, no nothing. So, listen, us Texans, we can't handle the snow like that, you guys. So please, when you send snow, just a little bit, just sprinkle a little bit this way, okay? Because we can't handle snow. Thanks, you guys. Love you.